If you're someone that's looking for earbuds that pack a punch with a low price, then these are the Bowie E19 earbuds from Baseus. They were first released in 2024, and now these are still a great deal, especially when these are on sale. So, I've been using these for a couple weeks now, so let's see what you're getting with this package. So starting with the unboxing, it's pretty simple, but I do like the presentation here. First, we have the Baseus branded USB-A to C cable, a quick start guide, some cool stickers, then the Bowie E19 case itself. As you can see, it's a pretty compact design, and I like its soft rounded edges. The lid also closes relatively softly, so I think that makes the experience a little more satisfying. The charging port is here on the right side, so now let's take out the earbuds. The design here is somewhat reminiscent of an AirPods Pro type design, where you have a thin and short stem on the earbuds. Some people prefer this design because it gives you something to hold on to when putting these on and off your ears, but for me, I don't really mind if my earbuds have stems or not. What I immediately notice is that these earbuds are very light, and wearing them makes that even more apparent. It also has these slots here to reduce pressure, which I do like because it allows you to wear these for longer periods of time. So for comfort, I think that these are really good for my ear shape, and despite it feeling lighter and having less pressure, I think that these are still sealed just enough to not fall out my ears. For back sleep, these will do good because of that reduced pressure, and for side sleeping, I still wouldn't consider these to be sleep earbuds, but you can go for maybe a half an hour to an hour nap before noticing any discomfort. The case is very light and pocketable, and the lid has that satisfying soft close hinge. Of course, it won't be quite like the more expensive earbuds cases, but this one is nice considering the low price. It also has an LED light here for battery status, so once the case is out of battery, it'll flash white before turning off, and when charging, it'll continuously flash white, and once it's done, it will turn static. For running or for working out, these will do just fine, as long as you use the right size ear tips. You also have an IPX5 rating here, which means that it has decent water and splash resistance. Now, let's go to some specs. The case has a 500 mAh capacity, which combined with the earbuds gets you a total of 33 hours of listening. The earbuds themselves can go for 6 hours straight before charging, which I think is good enough for most people. So, I think that's one of its best selling points, and as for real world use, that gives me about a week of listening before charging the case. It has Bluetooth 5.3, meaning that you can get a stable connection with your device for up to 10 meters. You don't get multi-point connection here, but for the price, I don't really mind it. By the way, I got these on sale for just about $8 or 480 pesos, so definitely be on the lookout online if you want to save a bit of cash when these are on sale. This doesn't have app support like some of the more expensive Baseus earbuds, so you won't really be able to control the sound, call and find the earbuds, set up gestures, or have any noise cancellation because it doesn't have the chip for that. Of course, they definitely did that for cost cutting, which does make a lot of sense. However, you can still play with the EQ with your phone's native settings, like here on Samsung, you can find that in the sound quality and effects. So, you still have some customization over the sound signature here. For the gestures too, like I said, you can't customize them, but you still have them here. So now, what about the sound? Well, right out of the box, they sound very bass heavy, which is probably because a lot of people who are buying this mostly only really care about having bass at this price point. In my opinion, something like the Soundcore A20i gives you way better balance, but at least you can tweak your EQ if you want a more neutral sound. If you are someone who does like more bass, then this is good enough for you. What I will say though is that the sound clarity is not that great here, but that is to be expected for the price. Overall, if I'm just doing casual listening throughout the day, then these are pretty convenient. So that's the Baseus Bowie E19. If you're looking for earbuds that are cheap, stylish, have great battery life while still sounding decent, then you should definitely consider buying these. Since these were released 2 years ago now, you can get these for a fraction of the original price. The design is very ergonomic, there's different ear tip options that come with the box, and the case is easy to carry in your pocket or in your bag with its compact and lightweight design. So, That's all for this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers on this channel. See you in the next one.